Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Maeerxu. Now I was contacted by Banggood.com. They wanted me to test and review this flashlight. Now it comes in this box, this nice little carrying case. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what's in. Comes with the charging cable, extra set of O-rings, and a lanyard. This is a USB rechargeable light. My sample doesn't have a user manual of any sort, but in any case we'll go ahead and look at the light. Now this is supposed to be a dedicated thrower, compact of course. Nice steel bezel on that. Button is almost flush. Sticks out a little bit there. Take a look at this USB port here. That is a micro. Knurling feels pretty rough there, and the knurling here is pretty grippable, so it's not going to slip. And let's take a look at the Cree XPL High LED smooth reflector, and that is kind of deep. $1,200 lumens on turbo. Show you the name there. Nice style and design. So let me go ahead and open this. I'll show you the springs on the head and on the tail. And it's got some grease there on the threads. Show you the spring on the head there. Looks like it's got a retaining ring in there to be able to take that head out pretty easily for all you modders out there. Alright, and now we'll show you the tail end there, spring. Alright, so now I'm going to put the barrel back on the head, and we're going to show you what cell I'm going to be running in this test here. Alright, now I've just happened to have a couple of eFest batteries here. Now you can run, if you have an insert, 18650 on this, but I'm going to be running the 26650 cell. These are 4200 milliamps, slightly raised cell, unprotected. Been having really good luck with these, so we're going to go ahead and put the light back together. And that just gave us a blink that it's got some good contact there. Now I would like to go ahead and show you what it does when you're charging it. If I can take this stuff out of the bag here. Show you the lanyard there. Alright. I'm not going to use the cord here because I have a wall USB cable here. It's already ready to go. We're going to go ahead and plug it up in here so you guys can see it. And that's what it looks like when it's charging. And it's already fully charged, so of course it's going to be already done. But in case that's what it looks like, give you an idea. Okay, now this light all you do is turn that on. It's on very low there. It's got a nice big spot on that. So now, in order to go through the light outputs, this is a ramping feature on this. So you just press and hold, and it goes up pretty quickly and down pretty quickly. And we'll turn that all the way up. And you'll see a blink there. And that's, you can see how tight that spot is. Now the hot spot is real focused on this, so is the spill. There's not much area of bleeding here at all to the spill, so it's straight spot to the spill. That's really a nice beam. If I hold it up here by the camera, it's going to be nice and tight and focused. 1200 lumens. Like the color temperature on that too. So now we can go ahead and you can lower this back down. Now it does have a slower motion when it's starting from the top, but when it gets to the closer lower outputs, it's pretty quick. So if you do hit that button and you want to go through those lower outputs, it's really quick. But once you start getting into the higher outputs, it does take a little bit longer from there to go up. And it blinks, press, and it slowly goes from the higher outputs. Once it gets to the medium, then it really starts to fall off quickly. Really nice. Okay, and of course if you double click, you get instant access to turbo, which is really nice. Now if you double click this, you'll get turbo, instant access to turbo. Now if you triple click this, we'll get you SOS. Eight clicks will get you beacon. And with that, you can ramp the mode as you're going up in the light output. Hit 4 clicks on that. Now you have instant mode where you can, whatever you left it off on. So we'll give you another example until we'll get out of that. Now you can lock out this light by hitting the button 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shows now. Now it won't turn on at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Light comes back on. Turn that up. Turn it back down. Now on this LED, this is also a battery level. It will turn red and start blinking when you get to be about 20% of the battery life. So that's pretty nice to let you know ahead of time. Now this light doesn't have any type of memory on it, so it always starts off on lowest setting because of the ramping feature. And that's all there is to this light. Pretty simple. It's got a lot of features on that clicky. And so let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Maeerxu. Alright, we're going to turn it on. And you can see the light is pretty bright. See it hitting the water spout. Usually making that range. So we're going to put it up a little bit here. Try it at this light output. As you can see, usually making it across the park. And this is pretty impressive. Tree line, fence line. It's got a good spill here. I'm going to try it on the Tree of Life here. It's got some good range on this. Making the bleachers there with no problems. Tree of Life. And we're going to check the palm trees, and it is making the palm tree, further one, closer one. Wow, this is doing really good. So we're going to raise it up here. I got to lower it back down here. But now we're going to raise it back up to the max till it blinks. All right. Let's see this thing come alive. Usually making it across the park. That is doing really good. Wow. It's got some good range on this. There's the fence line, tree line. Nice spill on this. It's cold out here tonight, so this is really impressive for such a small light. There's the beam shot into the sky. It's got some good range and distance on this beam. Wow. Tree of Life. Let me check the palm trees one more time here. Look at that. Good range on both of those. Crazy. Really good range on this. And not that expensive. All right. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This is definitely a compact, dedicated thrower. It's got some very impressive range. It's got a lot of nice features on the UI. UI being ramping is something I'm really starting to love about lights more and more every time I get a light that has it. The build quality is very good on this. Light output, of course, is excellent. And having that 26650 cell, it being rechargeable, USB, only thing you got to do is provide a cell. All in all, just a great little package here. Comes in a nice plastic carrying case. A little big for my taste for this light, so I'll use it for something else. I'll just keep it in the cabinet like that. All in all, nice lanyard on that. Looks good with the light. And I just want to thank Banggood for sending me this to review. Now, if you are interested in getting this, you can look up on that screen right about there. And you'll see my discount code, and that'll help you save some money should you be interested. That's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.